Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 full spec sheet has been leaked, plus a new leak has been surfaced for the Z Flip 4 cover case. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4 are two of the main devices in the line of foldables are coming in the month of August, and since from last few weeks we are hearing multiple reports about the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. Basically both of these devices has been leaked in full and all the specification has been leaked. I have made a previous video for the Z Fold 4 full specification leaked that has been arrived, so if you want to check that out, its link is in the description and in the cards you can check them as well. And today's leak is coming from Yogesh, who is also a reliable leakster when it comes to Samsung, and he has shared full specification of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 on his Twitter account. According to his leak, the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having similar kind of a spec sheet as the Z Flip 3, but there are certainly few changes that are coming for the upcoming Flip 4. Like the first major change which you can expect for the Z Flip 4 is obviously going to be an improvement in the battery capacity. Instead of having a 3400 mAh of a battery cell, you are expected to see a 3700 mAh of a battery capacity, which is a great jump as compared to its predecessor. Also, 25 watt of charging support and 10 watt of wireless charging support is going to be coming for the Z Flip 4, which is obviously again a big upgrade from the last year Flip 3, which was coming with 15 watt of wired charging support and no wireless charging support was available in the Z Flip 3. And the other major upgrade for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is its outer display. Basically, you are going to see a 2.1 inch of outer display as compared to 1.9 inch coming in the Flip 3. Although it's not going to be a big upgrade in terms of the outer screen, but still it's a slight upgrade as compared to Flip 3, and I believe that it will be more usable as compared to the last year Flip 3. And the third major upgrade is regarding the processor. We are expected to see the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is going to be coming in the Z Flip 4. Basically, this new processor will also improve the overall performance by having this new processor inside, and the better heat management will also give a better battery life. And the rest of the specs are going to be same as the last year Flip 3. Like we have the same 6.7 inch of 120Hz Super AMOLED display on the front of the device, which is also coming with a punch hole selfie camera. The selfie camera has same 10 megapixel of lens, and also on the back we have a dual camera setup which are coming with a same 12 megapixel of a main sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, just like the last year's Flip 3. And we are expected to see 8GB of a RAM option with 128 and 256GB of two storage options are going to be coming for the Z Flip 4. As far as the software is concerned, the Android 12 with One UI 4 support is going to be coming right off the box with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. And guys, moving forward towards another leak coming from Ice Universe, who has a great track record. He shared the Galaxy Z Flip 4 cover case. Basically, this cover case confirms that a new outer display is coming, and alongside with that it also confirms the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having a thicker body. Instead of having a 6.9mm of thicker body in the Flip 3, we are expected to see a 7.2mm of a thickness inside the Flip. The other major thing that has been revealed by this new case, that a new hinge is also coming in the Z Flip 3, just like the Z Fold 4. This means that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be lighter as compared to the last year Flip 3. Now moving forward, Ice Universe also shared two details about the Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to his new leak, that the under panel camera will be having a 400 pixels on the front of the display instead of having 172 pixels on the Fold 3, which is a major upgrade, but he still thinks that having such a high pixel does not mean that the under panel camera will not show up on the display. It will be shown on there, but its intensity will be lower as compared to the Fold 3. So guys, these are some of the leaks coming for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about the Galaxy Z Flip 4? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.